Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Chanu Beauty Codes. So in this video I'm going to show you the shoes pattern for girls and women as well. So if you're office going women or college going girl, then I think you need something like this because it is at the same time comfortable and stylish as well. So if you gonna team up it with your jeans, your shirts, it's gonna look so super cool. So yeah, if you like my video, then yeah, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.